wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we...
Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you are not new here, hey girl, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see, I'll be working with the lovely Reshine Hair. They went ahead and sent me this very gorgeous summer springtime friendly 4.5 by 6 lace closure unit. It is their pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached closure wig unit. It is super easy, ready to go, on the go, glueless wig unit. It is absolutely stunning, you guys. This texture eats. Do you see her? Eats. This lace eats. The melt is everything. Like, tell me you don't enjoy a good melt. And Reshine just comes through with the good quality lace, good quality hair. And in today's video, I'll be installing this gorgeous water wave unit for you. It is in 16 inches. Once you pull it down, you're definitely experiencing that 16. And when you do go ahead and stretch and dry your units, it'll definitely give like a longer effect. And I did go ahead and snip the ends just a bit, but this gorgeous unit is really nice and full. And if you'd like to see how I did this quick and easy install, just keep on watching. The links will be in the description box for you to do so. So let's jump into today's tutorial.
Doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
400. I need a vacation. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and ace, we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission, but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50. Used to slide with me, but you be tripping when you miss me. You go hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Keep the foreplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Then dip me underway. You can kill my mind for flow, but I went
Alright you guys, so this gorgeous wig is from Reshine, and they went ahead and sent me their 4.5 by 6 closure, pre-plucked, pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots wig unit in water wave and 16 inches. And because the back was a little bit on the shorter side, I decided to just cut to give myself, you know, like just some more volume, and so it didn't look too uneven. And now that I'm fluffing the hair out some more, like you guys can see, this is a very, very, very full unit. Super gorgeous, super vacation friendly, especially if you are trying to be on the go and you want to have as many wigs as possible on vacation to take with you. This is definitely one of them. These water waves are so gorgeous. Like, do you guys see this curl texture pattern? And you can achieve this by using your Denman brush, and I've shown you guys how to do that. So just keep brushing through, flipping the brush up. That's the technique I use for you to get these gorgeous coils. And honestly, this wig is absolutely beautiful. I feel like we are like 90% dry, still feel a little wetness around, so we are not even in its like fullness state. But this wig is everything, honey, and the more I zhuzh it is the more volume it's creating, and that is absolutely stunning. And because I didn't have to do any plucking, bleaching, cutting of the lace, this wig was literally a breeze to install. It didn't take me anything more than let's say like 5 to 7 minutes to install this gorgeous unit, and I am living for it. I also did a YouTube short, just in case you guys were wondering, like, she ate, okay, period. And in regards to shedding, tangling, all that stuff, let me get the brush. Like, honey, what shedding? What shedding? This? So this is what we got for shed hairs. Like, this is literally like nothing, zero, no. So we're gonna just say this wig didn't shed. Like, we did have like the most minimal shedding ever, and that is absolutely amazing. I'm living for this gorgeous unit, and it is definitely still about 16 inches. So if I pull down, like, we're just about 16 inches, because 18 would definitely be right above my boobs. So yeah, we're there. It's just curly, but this unit is absolutely gorgeous, and if you'd like to get your hands on it, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. So don't forget to go ahead and check that out. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Reshine, y'all ate on this unit, and I loved installing it. Super quick, super easy, and if you are interested in purchasing, I highly would recommend it. Reshine does have very good quality units, and the lace eats, the pre-pluckedness eats, everything eats. So that is pretty much it for today's video. Without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babes.